Yeah, just Shrenik, I have given any task to you. Did you complete it?
You just gave me to read that, and we were doing test scenario.
Mhm.
The second step.
Test? What is the task one?
Test scenario we were doing.
Yeah, yeah.
Only first step we did for.
Hmm. What is a test scenario? What is test scenario? Any idea?
Test, test scenario is a wider, like, under test scenario there are test cases.
Yes. Mm-hmm. We need to give the proper definition. Okay. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
A test scenario. Okay. A test scenario is generally generally a one line statement. Okay. Tomorrow I need this statement from answer. Okay. So one line statement and describing describing a feature. Okay. Describing a feature of the application. Okay. A feature of the application to be tested. To be tested.
Mm-hmm.
To be tested. So this is nothing but a so and it are like we can say test scenario. Okay. Test scenario.
Mm-hmm.
A test scenario is used for for end-to-end end-to-end testing of a feature and yeah it, and and it is okay
Mm-hmm.
and it is generally derived from derived from the use cases okay and last point single single test scenario can cover one
Mm-hmm.
or more test cases. Okay, I got it. This one,
Okay.
and
Yeah.
it has it has a one to many relationship. One to many relationship with the test cases. So that is exact definition. So whenever they ask, you have to tell this.
Okay.
So it's a simple one. Okay, it is a test
Mm-hmm.
scenario, generally online statement, describe about the feature of the application to be
Feature
tested,
of it.
and it
Mm-hmm.
the test scenario describe morely the end-to-end testing of feature, and it is generally derived from the use case.
Use
And
case.
yeah, one test scenario can cover one or more test cases. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
and that means it has a one-to-many relationship with the test cases. That means one scenario we have multiple test cases. So that is what. So here
Okay.
today we'll see that uh, one of the example of it is a generic one. So generic, very generic one. Like
Mm-hmm.
and I'll also give to one of the uh, another scenario
Mm-hmm.
like deriving scenario. So the general, sorry, as we know, common usage of pen, correct? Common usage of pen, and what is a pen? Pen. So now
Mm-hmm.
we will derive some test scenario uh,
Mm-hmm.
for a pen because
Test
suppose
scenario
yeah.
for.
So there is a new brand of pen is delivered to the market, so we are going to be tested.
Mm-hmm.
So before testing that,
Okay.
we are capturing the test scenarios. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, test
Mm-hmm.
scenario, test scenarios of a pen. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, This is for your homework, like test scenario,
Mm-hmm.
test scenarios for test scenario of a um, ATM machine, ATM machine,
Okay.
and uh, and
And
door.
door. Okay.
Okay, you do that.
Okay.
Okay, well, today I will complete so how to exactly we cover the test scenario for a pen. So based on that, you need to cover the ATM and door. Okay, and instead of door, you can make one more like Facebook. Maybe you be,
And door.
yeah, no, just Facebook. So Facebook is you know the common functionality.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So first thing is, so
Mm-hmm.
I'm writing the
Okay.
first scenario of pen. Okay. So now we are describing about the test
Mm-hmm.
scenario about
Mm-hmm.
the pen. Okay. The first one
Pen.
is
Okay.
yes, verify. Okay. Verify the
Mm-hmm.
type of pen. Okay. Verify the type of pen
Okay.
whether it is ball pen,
Mm-hmm.
ballpoint pen,
Mm-hmm.
or ink pen or a gel pen. So you got the point. So we are
Yes.
verifying when the suppose
Mm-hmm.
uh, the market one the sorry in the market there is a release of one pen and first given to your hand. So the first verification will
Mm-hmm.
be this. Hey,
Okay.
this pen should be ball pen, ballpoint pen, ink pen, gel
Mm-hmm.
pen.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the first differentiation.
Okay.
So it can be like
Mm-hmm.
test cases. You can there are many test cases, one or two more test cases, but it is a exact line, one line of feature to be tested. Okay, one line
Okay.
of describing a feature of the application to be tested.
One line of future.
Yeah, one
One
line.
line of future.
Sorry, one line statement describing a feature of the application to be tested.
Okay.
Second thing, second thing is verify the
Mm-hmm.
outer body of the pen, whether it should be a metal, whether it is a plastic or any
Mm-hmm.
other material has been specified. Okay.
Okay.
So first thing is
Verify.
we come to know the
Mm-hmm.
type of the pen. It can be ball pen or it can be ink pen, gel pen.
Mm-hmm.
Now we are outer body. We are checking the outer body. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Verify the outer body, outer body of the pen, whether
Mm-hmm.
whether it should be metallic, metallic or a plastic
Mm-hmm.
or
Okay.
any other material. Any other material has just a second. Any other
Material.
yeah, any other material
Mm-hmm.
as specified
Specify.
or specification. So are you following exactly what we are doing? So capturing the test
Mm-hmm.
scenario. Suppose given a pen, so we are describing how to test the pen. What are the testable condition in the pen? So first we will
Okay.
whether the pen is ball pen or ink pen, then gel pen. So we differentiate. Okay, given pen is ball pen. Okay, right. Next,
Mm-hmm.
outer body of the pen. Okay, outer body can be metal, plastic, or other specified. So it is a metal. That's the way. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
verify that length. Okay, the length
Mm-hmm.
and okay, breadth, length and breadth and other size.
Height.
See, yeah. See, what is of this specification? Specification, what is the mean of specification here? Can you see that? Here also we got a specification. Here also we got a specification. What is
Mm-hmm.
mean by specification?
desired requirement of the customer or the client.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
that is a desired requirement which is mentioned or specified of the customer. So
Mm-hmm.
here
Oh.
it is
Mm-hmm.
a generic. So any pen can has
Yes.
this thing, and
Mm-hmm.
this outer body pen can be as we know that metal or plastic
Yeah.
or
Mm-hmm.
any other material specification mean it can be specific to the customer or brand company.
Mm-hmm.
It can be
Mm-hmm.
same thing. The length can be specified by size can be specified by the specification. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
and then is verify the weight. Okay, verify the
Mm-hmm.
weight of the pen. So why weight of the pen? If it is weight is more, nobody can buy because
Mm-hmm.
writing
Mm-hmm.
is very difficult. So they has to maintain some.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Next is verify the verify if a pen is with a cap or without cap. What does it mean this with cap without cap? You got to the point of this?
Like it is with cap or without cap means like the tick button something.
Yes. So the pin with the tick are normal one, the cap one. Okay, yes, got it.
Mm-hmm.
And next is verify the verify if the pen has rubber grip or not.
Okay.
Verify the pin has rubber grip or not.
Mm-hmm.
And 7 one is verify if the the color color of the ink. Suppose it is the ink pen, then color of the ink pen. Okay, and next is verify verify the size of the tip of the pen. So what is mean by tip? As we said this tip length. The tip length also measured.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
and next verify the
Mm-hmm.
company name or logo of the maker is correct and at desired place as we know this one. Okay, name of the company means suppose
Verify the company name or
yeah
logo.
logo in the marker maker is the correct or not and it desired place. Suppose Renault is there,
Mm-hmm.
Shell pen is something. The name of the
Uh-huh.
product, a company who is designed with the logo
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
and verify verify if the pen is smooth.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and
Uh-huh.
verify if the pen's pen ink get leaked gets leaked.
Okay.
So we are checking that it is like leaking or not leaking and upside. So few
Okay.
pens will be
Tilted.
yeah tilted.
Yeah, they will leak once. Mm-hmm.
And verify verify if the pen get sorry get leaked at the higher latitude. So what does it mean by higher latitude? Any idea? So while writing fast. So you are writing a very fast,
Mm,
pen should not be
higher.
leaked.
Okay.
There is a latitude, L-A,
Mm-hmm.
not T.
Okay.
Latitude, yes. And verify the type of the surface the pen can write it. Okay. And next one is verify the verify if the text written by pen is erasable or not. 14th point you understood. Verify if the text is written by the pen.
13 point. What does
Surface,
verify the type surface the
surface,
pen right at?
surface of the pen. Suppose surface in the sense the place where you write. It is suitable for write or not.
Mm-hmm.
So and once it is
Okay.
written and it is written the pen, it can be erasable or not. And the one more thing is verify. Okay, verify a pens
Mm-hmm.
and its ink. Okay, and its ink condition at the extreme temperature is as per the
Pens and its ink.
yes, not
Mm-hmm.
ink. Sorry, verify
Okay,
a
ink
pens.
condition.
Yeah, pens and its ink condition at a extreme temperature as per the specification. Suppose room temperature is 36. So 100
Mm-hmm.
temperature. We'll see that 100 temperature, what the pen behavior and ink behavior.
Okay, okay.
It is deleted or not, like we'll see that. Okay. And next is verify the pressure
Mm-hmm.
up to with the pen
Okay.
tip and can resist to work normally or not. So we'll take the pen with the pressure. Okay. Verify the pressure
Mm-hmm.
up to
Mm-hmm.
which the pen's tip can re
Pen stick.
resist resist it and working normally. Work accurately. Sorry, work correctly. Okay. So we'll press the tip, long
Mm-hmm.
press, and we'll reset or we'll resist, and it should work perfectly. So we can tip many time, or we'll
Mm-hmm.
pressure the tip. So the
Work
tip should
perfect.
not be like stuck. Tip
Mm-hmm.
should be work
Mm-hmm.
properly.
Okay.
Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
verify the pen breakable. Sorry, when the pen verify the pen is breakable or not a certain height as a specification. This is one of the thing. Okay. Verify the pen is breakable or not at a certain height.
Okay.
So we are testing this
Mm-hmm.
one. So these are all the test conditions. Okay, as a specification. And
Mm-hmm.
18th.
Okay.
So 19th one is 18th one is verify the text written, okay, which is written by text from the pen by pen does not get padded
Mm-hmm.
before a certain time as per the requirement specification. What is the exact? Can you explain this step?
Done.
Padded.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Get feed it before a certain time as per the
Yeah. Should
specification.
not be like
That what
raise.
we have written should not fade. Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Yeah. And verify that effort of water. Okay. So what exactly meaning is
Okay.
verify the water. Sorry. Effort. Effort of the water, oil,
Mm-hmm.
and other liquid, other liquid
Mm-hmm.
on the text written in a pen. So we are testing that once we written the pen, we are making some uh, putting on the paper some oil or some water. So our ink, the pen of
Mm-hmm.
written text should
Okay.
not be collapsed.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And next one is
Mm-hmm.
verify the condition of verify the verify the
Condition.
condition of a ink after long period of long period of time is as per the permissible specification or not. Okay, and verify
Step 18 and 20 are same.
18 and 20 are same.
Faded.
No, this is a certain time. This is some period, long period.
Mm-hmm.
You got the point? This is some
Okay.
time. Certain time means one day. It
Mm-hmm.
is 1 week, 5 months, 2 months. Okay. To verify the
Okay. Long period.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
total total amount of text that can be written by the pen at one go. Okay, this one you got it?
Specify the total amount of the text.
Yes. Total amount
No,
of
can you
text.
explain?
See, uh, verify that
Mm-hmm.
total amount of text that can be written by pen at one go. One go means suppose you started writing, you are continuously writing like 10 minutes. Okay. So it should not be stuck.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
It should be like a, suppose when you are buy a new pen, so first starting that should be like
Mm-hmm.
it will not write properly or some scratches will be come.
Mm-hmm.
Some one letter,
Mm-hmm.
half of the letter will come properly and starting of the letter will not come properly. So that type of things will
Mm-hmm.
be like some little issues will be there.
Okay,
Nib
okay,
issues.
okay.
Okay.
Nip issues, okay.
Yes. Verify the pen ink is a waterproof or not.
True.
Actually, it is covered in that line of 19th, but it is waterproof. Suppose this is mentioned in the specification, they require the waterproof. And
Mm-hmm.
verify if the pen is
Okay.
able to write when used against the gravity gravity upside. upside and down. So what exactly mean this one? Suppose normally how we'll use a pen? Upside.
Okay.
Suppose if you no, we will use generally in a downside. The nib is in the
Like
down, nib is in the down, and we'll write the
sitting upright.
sitting. Yeah.
Yeah.
Suppose
Mhm.
you place the paper in the up and reverse way. The nib is up and yeah, remaining pen will be down.
Yeah.
So we'll write the, like that
Mm-hmm.
and
Okay.
verify that in case of ink pen. Suppose it is a ink pen. The pen's ink
Mm-hmm.
can be can be
Refill.
yes refilled. So these are the test scenario of pen.
Test report.
Okay. So same thing. You write like a zoom of the ATM and Facebook. Whatever thing, what has been like,
Mm-hmm.
suppose take the use case, yesterday use case and write that. So how many you captured you can.
Mm-hmm.
And Facebook generally we are
So
using the,
like
yeah,
how many points it should have? Like whatever we think can
no,
be.
yeah, it
There is
can
no
be.
specific steps.
Yeah, there is no specific thing because it is a generic one. Suppose pen is a generic one. So we have generalized this one. So few of the specification, see, which I mentioned specification means exactly the client requirement. Other than it is a generic pen can be tested.
Mm-hmm.
Same thing the ATM or Facebook.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and
Okay. Because you have written
25, 26, whatever thing. So suppose you in
23
ATM,
points.
in ATM,
So like 24 points. So
yeah, 24 point. You may come or you may
generally
not
we
come.
write how many?
Not like that.
Yeah.
So how much you have knowledge about that
Mm-hmm.
ATM machine, that much you can write. Generally 15, 20 like that. So it is a very generic. Pen is a very generic. That's the reason I told you.
Okay.
So some
Okay.
Facebook has it can be like 10 or 15.
Okay. Okay.
ATM also like 20 like that.
Yeah.
There is a no like particular number of steps will come or number of scenario will come. It depends upon the functionality. It can be vary.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is the thing.
Okay.
Uh, and
Mm-hmm.
samely we will generate a login script. Yeah, now you have to tell this here because we are going to write a test cases. So test scenarios,
Okay.
test scenario, sorry, scenario for a login, and this is the login page. Yesterday, like
Mm-hmm.
not this one.
Verify the username.
Yeah, this is a login page. For this we require test scenario only.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so test scenario. See,
Okay.
I'll give 2 minutes of time and like think on that and tell me.
Mm-hmm.
In our application, then only we have to write a. They have the like requirement, but even though we have to, this is generic one, so we have to analyze it.
Mm-hmm.
How many test scenarios can be derived from this page?
Mm. Like the number of points you want.
Scenario. Tell me the scenarios, test scenarios. So right now we have written that pen
Mm-hmm.
scenarios. Like that also, we need to derive from the login page scenario. See, here, uh, so what is mean by a test scenario? Test scenario is a generally one-line statement. It will describe about the feature of the application
Mm-hmm.
to be tested. Okay.
To
The
be
one-line
tested.
statement will describe a feature of the application to be tested. So if a login screen is there, so what are the feature can be tested in that? That is a test scenario. That's it. Nothing more on that. Yeah, I will tell you. And
Okay.
so first thing is verify verify login login page.
Username. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Verify the login page. Okay. Uh, Verify the login page or login page items, and verify the uh, user logged successful, and
Mm-hmm.
second is verify user logged unsuccessful. Okay.
Verify the
Okay. And verify that clear clearing clearing text by clicking on clear button. Fifth one is verify the login page closed after clicking on cancel button. Okay. And verify the user logged with connect to DB option. Seventh, verify the user logged without connect to option. Okay. So these are the pattern. So
Mm-hmm. Okay.
these are the test scenarios. So and see that first point is done.
What is connect to DB option
No, no. In this is a
in 6 steps?
connect to. Here there is a DB option in that requirement. Yesterday I think
Mm-hmm.
we had a discussion. Uh,
Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah.
so it can be optional.
No,
So
I
whatever
mean DB. What is?
DB is a database. DB is a database. Suppose production database or DB is a database actually. Okay. You know the database?
Okay, okay. Database. Okay, okay.
Or any option, suppose admin user, whatever the
Mm-hmm.
option. So it can be anything.
Very
Yeah, can you read that? Verify the login page
database is
items.
an option.
Yeah. So it is a drop down list actually.
Mm-hmm.
So you can select any one of the database. Connect to in that a production database, local database, and
Mm-hmm.
dev database. Any one of the database you can select and click on the login. So I show explain that option of database, or it is an option, whatever thing. Without with connect with the option or without connect with the option. Option is a drop down list. Connect to. See, connect to is a text
Mm-hmm.
label, and this is a list, drop down list. In that we need to select the option, any one of the option. Suppose we have
Mm-hmm.
some destiny. Suppose you are filling the reservation form. You need to select what destination. Destination contain many of the cities. In that you need to select any one of the city which are going to be travel. So that option. Okay. So clear with this login page?
No, I didn't get
You
the
didn't get?
last, what you said last about the destination, I couldn't get.
Suppose,
Last point.
yeah, there is a reservation form, correct? So how you select that? Suppose you are booking a flight ticket, okay? So in booking a flight ticket, source is you will select the source where from you are traveling and your destination. Destination means where you are going. Okay. So suppose you are traveling from New York City to Denmark. So you will select the first New York. So New York is a drop down list. So not only the in that source list contain not only New York, it can be contain multiple cities. Same thing here, connect is a drop down list. You can select local DB, dev DB, production DB. The options. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Clear this login page. Can you read again?
Clear.
Yeah. Can you read again? Just one second. I'll tell you the one more
Yeah.
thing. Verify the login page items. Verify the user logged successful, unsuccessful. Clear by the text by clicking on the clear button and close the login page.
Clear button.
Yeah, after clicking the cancel button and use the logged with the
Cancel button.
connect option without connect option.
Connect to option.
Okay. So see, our scenarios can be very much related to our page only. Suppose here I have written the connect. Instead of if I keep option with option with
Instead of
so I remove the connect label, connect to label. So now read it. Suppose verify the user logged with the
verify the
option.
user.
What option? What option? So mostly we will get that information from the login page. So which related to the labels which are defined in the page, which are defined in the current page items. So which should be related. So then only we can understand. Suppose if we given, so as we know we can understand. Okay, it is a list of application. Sorry, list of drop down list. We can select any one of the option. So verify the user with the selected option or without selected option. Suppose we return. So what is the selected option? Suppose if I given this this scenarios to other guys, he has to return the test cases. He may confuse. So we have to tell a proper like mentioning a labels with the it is a connected to means he will go and refer, hey, what is a connected to in that page? Okay, this is a label. Okay, connected to, okay, this is a drop down list. Okay, that's the reason they make as a option like that. And here is a login page. Suppose if you return here submit, okay, it is not good. So it is not it is a login page. Clear button, cancel button, cancel. So instead of cancel button, suppose if you wrote here close, you should not write like this. So which are mentioned in the screen only we have to mention, right?
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Whatever is mentioned in the login page or on the screen, we have to follow that only.
Yeah, we have to follow that only.
Okay.
Yes. Now, yeah. So now we will write the test cases. And what is the test cases also we learn today. And yeah. So I will take a one more, or I'll write here, no problem. We need Excel sheet for that. So are you familiar with the Excel sheet? What is a Excel?
Yeah.
Yeah. What is the test case? Okay. See, a test case is a, I want two definition tomorrow as I mentioned here. Okay. So a test case is a set of conditions conditions for evaluating a particular feature of a software product. Okay, software product, and to determine its compliance 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 with the business requirement. Okay, any like you got some any idea? So test case is a, okay, reverse, I'll come reverse. So we have the business requirement. Okay, we have the business requirement. Okay, we have the business requirement. So we are determining the complaints. Okay, whether those are following the business rules, which is like is a software product, on software product a particular feature evaluating based on the some conditions. Okay, a set of condition, suppose there is a pen, suppose. So we are evaluating the pen, his design as per the requirement. So first point is like whether we are checking that pen is whether the ball pen or ink pen or gel pen. So we have the business requirement mentioned, and this is our condition. We are evaluating that feature of the product is determining the its complaints. Okay,
What do you mean by last line? Determine the complaints
complaints
with
means
the business.
checking complaints mean whether it is followed or not followed,
Okay.
whether it is like expected requirement is came out or not.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and a test case
Mm-hmm.
has pre prerequisite like inputs, input values, and expected result in a documented from form which cover the different test scenario, different test sorry scenarios. Okay, so what exactly meaning is here
Okay.
is, suppose if we are testing a pen. Okay, suppose we are testing a login page. What is our prerequisite? We should have login URL, we should have pen, then only we can test.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, and it values means the specification. Suppose my pen height is 2 centimeters, input value, and expected result
Mm-hmm.
is we will measure that. Okay, we'll measure that, and it is as expected, and it result would be
Mm-hmm.
documented with the
Okay.
coverage of test scenario, different test scenarios. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
a test case can have following attributes. Okay, so test cases has these attributes. So first is a test case ID. Second is and test case ID, and it is a unique identifier of the test case. Okay,
Okay.
and test summary, test summary, and one liner
Mm-hmm.
summary of the test case. Third is a
Okay.
description. A detailed description of the test cases. And fourth one is prerequisite. Prerequisite are preconditions. Okay, precondition. So what is a precondition here
Mm-hmm.
is a set of prerequisite. Okay, prerequisite that must be followed. That must be followed
Mm-hmm.
before execution. See what exactly the execution is. I'll tell you that. Executing the test steps. And fifth one is test steps. What is a step? A detailed. I'll come back. So detailed steps for
Mm-hmm.
performing 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 the test cases. Test case. Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
sixth one is expected result. Expected result. Okay, what is expected result? Here is expected result. The expected result in order to pass the test. Okay, expected result is in order to pass the test. That means the exact output as mentioned in that documentation it came. It is a pass and actual.
Mm-hmm.
So while testing, actual value will come. So the actual result after executing executing the test steps. And eighth is test result. Test result is pass or fail. Okay, it decide
Mm-hmm.
the test execution. Okay, so test execution and
Mm-hmm.
expected result and actual result both are same, then test result is pass. Expected result is uh, and
Mm-hmm.
expected result and actual result is deviation, then the test is fail here.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And uh, automation status, so it is not required as of now for. And date, and date is like the test is execution date. Okay, when it is executed, and
Mm-hmm.
executed by or authored by. So we have many things, but it is a standard one which I explained now. It is a very standard one. Okay, in company to company there can
Mm-hmm.
be like one or two more column will be added. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is the
Mm-hmm.
test case attribute, test case ID, unique, scenario, summary, one liner summary of the test case. What to be going to be test. So this can be like test login successful,
Okay.
verify login successful. Okay, and the
Mm-hmm.
description how we are going to verify. So verifying a login with the valid username, valid password. Prerequisite, we required a URL of the login page. Set test step. Open the browser.
Mm-hmm.
See the steps. Open the browser. Load the URL. Load the URL. Enter username. Enter password. Click on login button. Those are the steps. Expected result should come landing the home page. Okay, actual result.
Mm-hmm.
It open the landing page. Then our test is pass. And date of execution today 2/8/2014 executed by Rajkumar. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Like that. Okay.
Oh.
So it should be a Excel sheet. Okay. So these are the columns. Make
Okay.
a make a Excel sheet and send it to me. These are the column. Okay. The first
Okay.
column name is test case ID. Second column name is summary ID, description ID. Like that you can make a columns and send it to me. Okay.
Okay.
This is our task.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Tomorrow we'll write the login test cases. And you should complete, actually
Okay.
you write like many like ATM machine and Facebook scenarios. So you just write it. How many come in your mind, you can write it. No problem. I'll review that, and if you are missing
Okay.
anything,
Okay.
I will tell you that next session. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
So